Have you ever wondered why it's crucial to save gold bars safely? In recent times, there's been a growing interest in gold bar investments, and rightly so. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and security for centuries. It's a tangible asset that's not subject to the whims of stock markets or government policies. But why is it so important to store these precious bars properly? Well, gold bars are not just valuable, they're incredibly dense, making them difficult to handle and store. If not stored correctly, they can be susceptible to theft or damage, which could result in significant financial loss. Moreover, gold bars are an investment that stands the test of time. They're a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty and a hedge against inflation. However, the potential risks can overshadow these benefits if not managed properly. So it's clear that properly storing gold bars is as important as the investment itself. Before buying gold bars, there are several factors to consider. Let's delve into them, shall we? First and foremost, researching reputable dealers is essential. The world of gold trading is vast, and unfortunately, it does have its share of unscrupulous players. So it's crucial to ensure you're buying from a trusted source. Next, understanding the current market prices is key. Gold prices are constantly fluctuating, and being aware of these changes can help you make a more informed decision. Don't hesitate to compare prices across different dealers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Lastly, the significance of buying certified gold bars cannot be overstated. Certified gold bars guarantee the purity and weight of the gold, providing an extra layer of assurance for your investment. To wrap things up, remember these three crucial factors: researching reputable dealers, understanding market prices, and buying certified gold bars. Remember, a well-informed investor is a successful investor. Now that you've done your homework, it's time to make your purchase. The process of buying gold bars is straightforward but crucial. Firstly, determine the size and weight that best suits your investment goals. Remember, gold bars come in a variety of sizes, from 1 gram to 400 ounces. Once you've made your selection, it's time to finalize the transaction. When purchasing, ensure you're dealing with a reputable dealer. This not only guarantees the authenticity of your gold bar but also ensures a fair price. After the transaction, always insist on getting a receipt and proper documentation. This includes details about the weight, purity, and serial number of the gold bar. These documents are your proof of ownership and are vital for insurance and future resale purposes. And just like that, you've made your purchase. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a gold bar. Got your gold bar? Great. Now let's talk about safe storage. When it comes to storing your precious gold bars, there are a few options to consider. First, we have home safes. These can be a good choice for easy access and control, but they may lack in security compared to other options. Next, bank safety deposit boxes. They offer a higher level of security, but accessibility can be limited to the bank's working hours. Then there are professional storage firms. These are typically the most secure option, as they specialize in storing valuable assets. However, they might be pricier and not as accessible as the other options. Each storage option has its pros and cons. Home safes offer convenience, bank safety deposit boxes provide increased security, and professional storage firms offer the highest level of security. Choosing the right storage option is crucial to ensure your gold bar's safety. Finally, let's discuss the importance of regular audits and insurances. Regular audits are a key part of managing your gold bar investment. They ensure that your gold bars are accounted for and in the condition you expect. It's like a health check for your investment, confirming that everything is in order. On top of that, consider insuring your gold bars. While we all hope for smooth sailing, insurance provides a safety net for those unexpected bumps in the road. It's a layer of protection that can give you peace of mind knowing that your investment is safeguarded against unforeseen circumstances. In essence, regular audits are your eyes on the ground, keeping track of your investment. And insurance, that's your safety parachute, ready to deploy if needed. Together, they provide an additional layer of security, ensuring that your investment is not only profitable but also protected. Regular audits and insurance, the final steps to secure your gold bar investment.